In this video, we'll recommend the best budget drawing tablet to buy in 2022. We included the pros and cons of each product, so you can decide before buying the best one. Coming in number 5 of Best Budget Drawing Tablet 2022 is Wacom Cintiq 22. This drawing tablet is still fantastic. Wacom used to have the drawing tablet pretty much all to itself, but in recent years, a load of challenger brands has turned up to take a bite out of its lunch, especially at the cheaper end of the market. However, despite increased competition, the Wacom name is still very much one to be reckoned with, and as far as we're concerned, the Wacom Cintiq 22 is definitely one of the best drawing tablets you can get. With a 22-inch display, this is a serious tablet with a lot of room to play. It has full HD resolution, not as many pixels as some newer, flashier tablets, but it is more than enough for most people. You can get sharper screens on other Wacom tablets, but they tend to cost more, and this model is all about bringing Wacom quality with an affordable price tag. And let's not forget that plenty of tablets, Zensalabs included, don't have a screen at all. What really makes the Cintiq 22 such a pleasure to use is the Wacom Pro Pen 2, with a whole 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity as well as tilt sensitivity. Wacom has been in this game a long time, and it's hard to imagine an artist with any complaints about the Pro Pen 2. It just works really, really well. At number 4. Microsoft Surface Pro 8. The new flagship gives Microsoft's range a much-needed refresh. Microsoft's Surface tablets have never quite achieved the cachet enjoyed by Apple's iPad range, but the latest Surface Pro 8 feels a lot more like a challenge to Apple's dominance. It comes in at around the same price as the new 12.9-inch iPad Pro, and Microsoft has clearly put in a lot of work to make this tablet look like a viable alternative, in terms of both looks and performance. There's plenty of power in even the basics model, which packs an Intel Core i5-1135G7 processor, 8GB of RAM, and a 128GB SSD, and if that's not enough for you, there are even punchier configurations available, but be aware that this will drive the price up further still. When tested, it found the display to be excellent, with a resolution of 2880 by 1920 and the option to bump the refresh rate up to 120 Hz. This makes it highly responsive when used with the Surface Pen stylus, though be aware you'll need to purchase this separately. Having Windows 11 is also a major boon for this tablet, as it means you can use the full desktop version of programs like Photoshop, rather than messing about with tablet apps. If you're already in the Windows ecosystem, then this tablet definitely makes sense as a purchase. At number 3. iPad Pro 12.9-inch M1 2021. An incredible drawing tablet with plenty of features. The iPad Pro offers the best of two worlds. If having the best drawing tablet simply isn't enough for you, and you need to have the best tablet all around, there's really only one choice: the latest 12.9-inch M1 iPad Pro. It's so far ahead of the rest of the tablet market that it's not even funny. Not only is the iPad Pro powered by Apple's blazing fast M1 chip for utterly stunning performance, but it also has a mini LED XDR display with amazing brightness as well as local dimming to deliver astonishing contrast. Put the two together, and throw in the wonderfully smooth and intuitive Apple Pencil too, and you have a near unbeatable all-in-one system for creating digital art as well as showing it off to the best effect. So why, with all this, is it not our top pick? Well, it does depend on what you need. The iPad Pro 12.9-inch M1 2021 is so powerful and so priced accordingly that if you are only looking for a drawing tablet and won't need its many other features, it probably isn't worth it, and a dedicated tool like those above will offer greater value for money. At number 2. Apple iPad Air 5th Gen 2022. One of the most powerful drawing tablets you can buy. Apple's in-house M1 chips have been an absolute game-changer over the past couple of years. They've beefed up Apple's laptop and desktop computers, transformed the iPad Pro, and now they can be found in the iPad Air, bringing super smooth performance with them. This, along with Apple Pencil 2 compatibility, means that the latest iPad Air is one of the best drawing tablets available now, as well as being an outstanding all-around tablet. We found an awful lot to love about it. Its display is absolutely stunning, a 2360 by 1640 IPS LCD panel that delivers 264 pixels per inch for incredible clarity, with comprehensive color support and even backlighting, with a maximum brightness of 500 nits. Admittedly, the iPad Pro provides a superior display, with 600 nits of brightness on the 11-inch version or a whopping 1000 nits for the flagship 12.9-inch iPad Pro. At number 1 of the top 5 best budget drawing tablet 2022 is Zensalab's Pen Tablet Medium Bundle. The best pen tablet comes with some excellent accessories. For our money, the best drawing tablet you can get right now is the Zensalab's Pen Tablet Medium. Zensalabs is a relative newcomer to the market, and while the name sounds like it might be yet another cheap Chinese knockoff brand, its designers cut their teeth at Wacom and the results speak for themselves. This is an outstanding drawing tablet that's beautifully designed and hits the absolute sweet spot of price and quality. When we tried the tablet, we found the texture of the drawing area to be just right, with the perfect level of bite against the stylus that makes it highly satisfying to use. The tablet also comes with 2 styluses bundled in, a regular and a slim version, and allows you to customize them pretty extensively. This is a handy way to set the 2 styluses up for different uses, e.g. having one optimized for line drawing and the other for shading. Pressure sensitivity and tilt sensitivity are excellent. Thank you for watching the top 5 best budget drawing tablet 2022, and we hope you enjoyed our drawing tablet buying guide. If you have decided to buy the best one, please look at the description below to get further product information.